Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing Sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making orange ice cream. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1 orange, 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, a half a cup of condensed sweetened milk, 1 teaspoon of orange extract, and a half a teaspoon of orange food coloring. So I have red and yellow food coloring to mix together to create the orange. Alright guys, you should have all your ingredients measured out. Okay, so I have my orange cut into half, and all I'm going to do is juice it and get all the juice out of it. Okay guys, as you can see, I have my juice right here. And guys, depending on the size oranges that you use, you may need to use another one if you're using smaller oranges, because we want 1/4 cup of the orange juice. Next guys, you want to grab a bowl, and we are going to be using a hand mixer. So all we're going to do is go ahead and pour our 1 cup of heavy whipping cream in. And guys, all you're going to do is beat this until it forms stiff peaks. Okay guys, that takes about 1 minute to 1.5 minutes. As you can see, it's done. Okay, next we're going to add in our sweetened condensed milk, a half a cup. Okay, we're just going to go in with our hand mixer, and we're going to mix that well. Okay guys, once that's mixed, we're going to go ahead and add in our orange juice, our orange extract, and also our food coloring. And we're going to mix until well combined. Okay guys, after that's mixed, we're just going to go ahead and add it into a loaf pan. Okay guys, I poured it into my loaf pan. Now guys, you can cover this up with a piece of saran wrap, or you're also welcome to use like a plastic container with a lid also. So we're just going to wrap that tightly and put it into our freezer for 6 hours. Now guys, to get the orange color, all you want to do is add equal parts of yellow and red food coloring and just mix it very well, and you can get whatever color orange that you're looking for. Okay guys, so I have my ice cream wrapped, so we're going to go ahead and put it into our freezer, remember, for 6 hours. See you then. Okay guys, it's been 6 hours. Now I'm getting ready to scoop out our orange ice cream. Okay guys, so here we have it, our orange ice cream. And it tastes like a creamsicle. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.